Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Apliiq with Shopify. So first up, what you need to do is to log into your Shopify account, and once you've done that, you'll be able to see this landing page or dashboard. And as you can see, I'm using a free trial account, which means that I only have 3 days until I'll be needing to purchase one of their paid plans in order to continue using their services. Now, it's going to be the same for you if you start with a trial account, so do take note of that. Just feel free to check out their paid plans by clicking on this select a plan button if you haven't already. Now, next, you're also going to have to log into your Apliiq account. So this is going to be where you're going to design your products, whether that's a t-shirt or whichever product you're selling on your Shopify store. Make sure you're logged into Apliiq. All right, so from the Shopify dashboard, we're going to be looking for the add apps right here, add apps section, and then click on this blue link so that it'll redirect us to the Shopify App Store or Marketplace. So right here, we're going to be looking for the Apliiq app. You can actually directly integrate it through through the Shopify's App Store to make things easier and much simpler, and then just have it installed on your Shopify store. So right here, this app needs access to view the personal data, view and edit store data. So just give it the necessary permissions so that it can function with your online store. Then click on install to start the process. All right, so we're just gonna wait till this gets added to our Shopify store. It's currently adding shipping profile to your store. We use cookies to collect, so we're just gonna accept these cookies so that the site can function better. All right, so now we have the Apliiq store. Okay, so from here we can already start designing the product that we want. And the same also applies if you do it directly on your Apliiq account. So for example, let's try refreshing this just to see if it will reflect. So you can see the get started. There is also an option to install the Shopify app. So you can also do this from the Apliiq website directly. So for example, let's try designing a t-shirt. So just something simple so that we can show you how it works. Transfer digital print, screen print. Let's try that. Select a color. You can also add a pocket if you like. And if you have your artwork, of course, you can upload an image or your logo, whichever design it is for your product. And then, all right, we're gonna hit next. So let's say, for example, this is just a sample uh, product or shirt. We're gonna go ahead and click on add to my store. Add new product to store. Okay, add design to your Shopify store to start selling. You can offer up to 3 more colors. So right there. Then you can edit the name here. Store setting and the description. Feel free to edit this as well. And hit save. So once you've done that, should be available on our Shopify store. All right, so you can either continue designing or edit the product in this store. So that's how you design products and connect it to your Shopify store. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.